Hi, I'm Fernando, owner at Rohnert Park Transmissions. Rohnert Park Transmissions has been family owned and operated for over 20 years. We are a full service auto and transmission repair shop. We feature highly trained technicians, state-of-the-art equipment, and friendly customer service. We are located in Rohnert Park at 305 Laguna Drive. We work on all makes and models. If you are seeking high-quality auto repair at a fair price, give us a call today at 707-584-7727 or visit us at www.rohnertparktransmission.com.